As I was going over the far famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol and then produced me rapier, saying stand and deliver, for you are the bold deceiver. Musher ring dum-a-doo-rum-a-da. Whack fall a daddy-o, whack fall a daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in me pocket and I took it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would deceive me, but the devil take the women, for they never can be easy. Musher ring dum-a-doo-rum-a-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went into me chamber, all for to take a slumber. I dreamt of golden jewels, and for sure it was no wonder, for Jenny drew me charges, and she filled them up with water, and sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Musher ring dum-a-doo-rum-a-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. 'Twas early in the morning, before I rose to travel, up came a band of footmen and likewise Captain Farrell. I then produced me pistol, for she stole away me rapier, but I couldn't shoot the water, so a prisoner I was taken. Musher ring dum-a-doo-rum-a-da. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. There's some that take delight in the fishing and the bowling, and others take delight in the carriages fast and rolling, but I'll take delight in the juice